Hi there, it's Auto West End. こんにちは、Auto West End です。Oh yeah, it's about time to change. So today I'm gonna show you how to replace the emblem. And then also, you see the paint is just coming off, rubbing it. So we'll apply coating too. Hope this video helps you replace to a brand new shiny emblem. And as you can see, this is a emblem, and then the other small four is the hub center cap. Big emblem was like $5, and then the four center hubcap was like $10 total. I'm gonna paste the link to that store in the description area. Hope you can find it. And then the OE emblem is so expensive, so I'd rather buying the the not perfect but cheaper one. And then this time I will apply the ceramic coating, because as you saw at the beginning of the video, old emblem was brand new like 2 years ago, and I didn't apply any coating on top, and then the faded so quickly. And this is the ceramic coating agent. I got it from Amazon for like 20 or $30 2 years ago. I still can use it. I'm not gonna apply this cheaper ceramic coating onto the painted body, but for this like small emblem like those stuff, I think it's a fair deal to do it. And you see this new emblem has a ceiling sticker on top, but if you take a close look, you see like a little scratch or imperfection. I think that's why it's so cheap. If you look closely, like 3 inches away, you can see it, but if you stand in front of an emblem, it's hardly see it. So if your Beamer is show car, yeah, I'm not gonna recommend. But this is pretty cost effective, so it's your choice. Before applying the ceramic coating, I'm spraying alcohol as a degreaser on the surface. It's hard to see, but a tiny scratch and imperfection on the surface. Applying ceramic coating sufficient amount and then leave it for 2 to 3 minutes on this particular ceramic coating, and then wipe that down. Very good. I should wear the gloves. After 20 minutes or so, you see a little hazy effect, so I'm gonna rub them down again. And this is the tiny scratch I was talking about. Alright, I'm gonna leave them for 24 hours or so and then install them to the car. Other than that, it's all protected and we are all set. So try to use a microfiber and then plastic trim remover tool to prevent from damaging your hood. I mean, my hood is a lot of rock chips and all that little scratches, but your hood is probably the better condition. And this is kind of hard to taking that off, but just be patient and then just applying the remover tool little by little. Alright, it came out. And then probably you want to wash them down because what I'm doing might scratch the surface. And by the way, a little black grommets that holding the emblem might have torn or missing, so you also might want to order them just in case, though mine was still good shape. And of course, you can attach two of them together before installing to the car, but I kind of prefer this way so I can adjust a little bit. Alright, it's all done and then nice and shiny emblem again. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. 今回もご視聴ありがとうございます。参考になったという方は、いいねボタン、登録ボタンをお願いします。それでは、See ya!